In this video, we'll walk through groundcover's skill feature, then we'll look at groundcover's rate limiting feature that gives you complete control over your token usage and agent costs. We created skills because customers often seek context-aware actions from the agent, such as searching for specific sources or understanding unique organizational data. Skills allows you to equip the agent with specific technical abilities and organizational context described through simple prompts that helps outline the steps it needs to take to achieve its task. A common customer pain point is AI request failures that span multiple root causes: configuration, infrastructure, model access, etc. Let's create a skill whose primary function is to diagnose AI request failures by workload, separating configuration bugs from infrastructure problems so each can be routed to the right fix. I configure a new skill and provide a simple prompt for demonstration purposes. It says to rank workloads by failed AI request volume over the last 3 hours. For each, show total requests, failure count, failure rate, top 3 error types with counts, list of model IDs involved, and which models are misconfigured versus which are transient infrastructure failures. Also, separate pre-inference rejections from mid-inference failures, since these need different fixes. Of course, the prompt doesn't have to be a rigid report template. You could instead instruct the agent to investigate like an SRE would, forming hypotheses about failure patterns, pulling in related signals, and iterating until it finds a root cause rather than just surfacing symptoms. And then use skills with a follow-up question. You can use the / command with our skill to identify the AI request failures. And while that runs, let me highlight some additional capabilities we've added. Customers often use AI services like Bedrock or Vertex, and they desire guardrails for quota management. They want insights into token consumption and the overall cost of using the agents. In response, we've launched cost management features that track usage per user and organization. Customers can set quotas either monthly or per user. Additionally, we've included a comprehensive view showing each customer's usage history over the past 12 months, both individually and organizationally. Let's go back to our agent and AI Observability page now. Looking at the AI Observability, we can rank our AI calls by duration or token usage. Let's click on the trace with the largest duration and token usage. We can see every tool our SRE agent called. We can see task errors, the investigations the agent ran, empty log returns, and the way the agent problem solved around those issues, as well as a good data return and a successful correction. Now let's take a look at what the agent found with skills. It found all our AI workloads, filled request rankings, provided a diagnosis, suggested a fix, and provided a summary. Skills makes the agent a powerful ground cover user with the organizational context it needs to launch thorough and thoughtful investigations and root cause analysis. And since the agent runs in your own cloud under a BYOC model, sensitive data, including logs, traces, and customer payloads, never leave your environment or cross vendor boundaries.